Hey, people on the internet. It's me. No, stop.
You got to yell. Okay, seatbelt.
It's me back with
Me.
With
I'm here.
with Cameron.
With other people.
With Cameron. With a cat.
Wait. Oh,
With another cat.
No, make sure you get the cat's face. Make sure you get his face. I'll hold the cats and I'll put them together. Look. Okay, get the cats.
What are we doing? Okay, so
Mama, Mama.
He's
okay.
scratching into my skin. I got the
So-
kitty.
Got one kitty and two kitties. They're both cool.
Yeah, okay, come on, yeah.
Grandma.
This girl gave them to us for
so-
free.
Mom.
Yeah, so we just wanted to get his wild tiger in this thing.
Yeah, cause
Go check out our other video, Wild Tiger and Cats.
yes, it's called Wild Tiger.
And there's another video called Cats. Go check them out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really good. So we have to end this video right here.
No, we don't.